Don't place a trade based on what you'll see in this video because there is no guarantees of making a profit in the market. It takes you a long time to become a good trader. So this video here is just to educate you to become a much better trader. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years. And I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now. Alrighty, hey traders. I wanted to do this video because as my last few videos about silver and gold, I think some of you guys are not understanding what I'm saying. So I want to try to come in clean. I'm coming clean about what my positions are with silver and gold. Firstly, right now, so for the last 2 videos, I'm saying that, you know, silver and gold and the mining stocks have been sold off. So I'm going to talk to you about that, and I want to talk to you more about what I see, what my positions are, and also, coffee bet. And also, there's a pattern that could be forming as we speak right now that could give it like a springboard or a slingshot move to the upside in the market. So keep an eye. I've got something really interesting to share with you that the market is telling me. It's really interesting. I went to the gym. It's so fascinating, right? It's like I go to the gym. I spend 2 hours at the gym, did some weights, strongman, did some cardio. Yeah, good for the heart. And then I thought, wow, that's right. Look what the market's doing. And I'm thinking about doing that as I'm doing my chest bench press or whatever. And so then I come back, I look and I'm like, yeah. So I do the video to share with you guys what I've been thinking for the last few hours. So, so looking at the markets right now, guys, you can see here with the US dollar, with gold and silver and mining stocks, guys, I am long, and I don't care what happens to gold and silver right now and the mining stocks. I am long as day is long, right? And if you see the longest day in history, times that by 10, and that's me in the mining sector and the silver and gold sector. Because right now, what's happening in this market here? Yes, gold crash, and you know. And people are like, oh my goodness, it's game over. And you're going to get all the bumblebees come out there. Bumblebees are guys. Shut up, you. All right? No. Inflationary is not transitory. We are just starting. We are just starting one of the greatest bull markets in history, especially in gold. And if we have a look at just a blank chart here for a minute, let me go back to the, let me bring up the weekly chart here for when it comes to gold. Let me actually bring this over here. This is the gold weekly chart, all right? So this is the gold weekly chart. And so we've got a bit of a flush down here with gold, and gold does this sometimes. And so guys, here is the really interesting thing, okay? Gold does this sometimes in the markets, and it really just freaks people out. And before you know it, this actually could be a slingshot pattern. So let me share with you what the pattern is, all right? But guys, just so you know, I am long, and I'm not budging because I see a 3,000 plus gold coming. I see mining stocks going to the absolute moon. Now, it may not be now. I don't know. Heck, this movement down here could be that slingshot pattern to see the move to the upside. I don't know. Do you know? I don't know what's going to happen in the next couple of months. But I'm very confident. Hence the reason why I'm in the mining stocks. Hence the reason why I'm in gold and silver, right? I'm in there with you guys, right? I'm cheering on, go the bull, right? But yeah, this little pullback here, I guarantee this stuff here, this gets people, this freaks people out and gets people out with the weak hand, right? They're called the little weaky hands, right? The little bumblebees, the little, oh my goodness, the market dropped just a little bit, right? It's like, so they're the little bumblebees, okay? So looking at the markets and looking at what's happening here right now, you can see that this overall market through here is indeed obviously trending still to the upside. But look at this here. I want to share a pattern with you here. There is a thing called in the market. Sometimes the market will do nothing nothing for a while, and then it'll create a what I call a high low, and then the market has a slingshot. Let me explain what I mean here. What I'm seeing here right now, and I've got so many things going on my mind right now when it comes to these mining stocks, guys. I just see massive boom coming in the mining stock. Not that, but my goodness, stock market. Yeah, we may see a correction in the stock market. That's another video, but stock market. Oh my goodness, yeah, correction may or may not happen. we're gonna see massive bull market, and then one of the biggest crashes in history. Anyway, I'll do another separate video based on the stock market. But looking at this here, a lot of the times what you'll see is the market may not do much for a while, and then suddenly it rallies up higher low, and we start to break up like that, right? We start to break away, and we start to see an upward trend. It's very simple stuff, but very powerful. Very powerful. In fact, guys, me and my private clients, you know, this is one of the patterns that, especially some of my private clients, we always trade with what's going on with the markets, right? And this is just the market. If the market's not doing much, and then suddenly we break to an uptrend, it goes sideways, and then suddenly we make a high low, right? We're starting what? What are we doing here? We're starting an upward trend. So, if you have a look at things like Nvidia, NVDA, look what Nvidia did. Oh my goodness, Nvidia was just like, yeehaw. And Nvidia did this exact same pattern. Here we are here, right? So we had a sideways channel. There's your channel. And then we had the higher low. And look what happened. We came up, made a high. And then this was the slingshot, and the slingshot to the upside. Just, I love this pattern. Adobe, look at Adobe, right? Where's Adobe? Adobe, where are you? Adobe. All right, look at Adobe. Oh my goodness, Adobe is doing the exact same thing, right? We do nothing for a while, then make a higher low, and then that's the slingshot move, right? But the key is that we make the higher low, and then breaking past these highs, right? So it's not much going on for a while, and then it's a higher low, breaking past these previous highs, right? That's the key right there to see more upside movement. Same with Nvidia, right? It's just a pattern that forms in the market. NVDA. Right, same with Nvidia. What happened? We actually had a channel. We had a Chanel. Right, we had the Chanel going on through there. Right through there, as you can see. And then what did we had? We had this high. And then guess what? As soon as we started to get a close of, as soon as we actually started to break above the highs there, let me zoom right in. So, right, so we had the high. That was the higher low. We had a higher. Look at this higher low. As soon as we started to get back above this high here, this is now confirming that the buyers are now taking control. And then we now have a high probability of starting an upward move. Right, so the market it's just an amazing pattern, guys. And all this is, as you can see, it's just listening to the market. It's an incredible trading pattern when the market does this. Like, I'll show you a trade that I did recently on Microsoft. It was actually more on the daily charts, but look at this here. Look at this here. It's just incredible how well it just works. Look, we had not much going on for a while. Not much going on. Higher low, break past. Look at that, nice move up. Now we've just gone through an upward trend. But as you can see, as we start that, what's another market here? AFMD. Right, look at AFMD. Let me actually. This is actually a weekly sort of setup here. Look at AFMD. What was going on with AFMD? We're getting a bit of a pullback now, but look what happened with AFMD. Right, we had this what? We had this sideways phase. Then we had the higher low. After we break, we had this channel. Higher. After we broke that, look at that there. We're in for a run. Now we're doing that. I expect to see that soon. But as you can see, right, as we started to do the higher low, and the run. Anyway, so the purpose of me sharing that with you guys is that it's just a simple pattern of, okay, what is the market telling us? And when the market's not doing much for a while, then you start to see, okay, well, the market's not doing much for a while. But the reason me sharing that with you, it's an amazing trading pattern. And I love trading that pattern. Now, let's go have a look at what's actually going on right now. So let's actually go look at gold and look what's happening to gold. So gold's getting a flush down right now. If indeed gold holds here, if indeed, and even if it doesn't, I'm still long. Right? I'm not a bumblebee in gold because gold's going to the moon either way. But if indeed we do hold here, right? We do hold and we start to do this and we come back up like that and we break those highs. Remember what I said before, right? Not much going on. You either do a bit of a channel here for a while, or you might do like a bit of a triangle pattern for a while. You might do something, right? But as you can see, not much going on. Then we made this high. If this is a higher low and we break past previous highs, if this happens, guys, oh my goodness, it's on like Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Same with gold. I mean, silver. Let's actually blow this silver chart up here for a minute. All right. Same with silver. What's silver doing right now? Silver actually could be creating this exact same formation. Right? So we had all these highs. This is a high here and a high. Look what happened. You made a high. You made a low. Now, I'm not saying this is going to be the pattern. It's just a pattern that I'm keeping an eye out for. I don't know if it's going to confirm or not. But one thing I'm watching out for is that if silver does start to do something like this, right, and we break above there, oh my goodness, like I showed you in some of the tech stocks right now. It's one of the reasons why I'm so bullish at tech stocks. It's just the pattern's forming. Why? Because this is the market talking to us. All right, it's absolutely amazing, guys. It's incredible. And then guess what? We're getting this higher high, higher low. And if we could break past these previous highs, guess what? Just like the video and just like we tend to go for at least a nice move up first. Just like my AFMD and Microsoft, when you do get that pattern where not much is going on, and then you get a higher high, low, break past previous highs, you at least get a nice move up for a period of time. That's happening right now. Let's go have a look at some of the mining stocks. The mining stocks. The mining stocks. Let's go have a look at this one here. This is the daily charts. And what do we have here? Very, 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 very simple. We have a high. If this is going to be a significant higher low and we start to do something like this, guys, and we start to break above 55, it is on like Donkey Kong and rocket ship is getting started. Even if that doesn't happen, it's still getting started. I'm still bullish either way. Because of everything I've said in this video. Same with this one here, right? Look what's happened here. I move up. This one here is actually this is actually on here. This was a significant high back here. This actually made a higher high. Now we're breaking down. So we could be getting ready to have a higher low. And once again, guys, if indeed, and for you guys that are not even in the mining stocks, if we start to see something like this here on the GDX, and then we start to break above 40, this major higher low and low is a significant move, and then a lot, just on like Donkey Kong. It's coming, right? Donkey Kong's coming to town. Do you want to go see him? I want to go see him. I think Donkey Kong's pretty awesome. SIL, same sort of thing. And same for that's SILJ, should I say? And then same for the SIL as well too. Look at the SIL. SIL could be doing the exact same thing. All right. Now I'm not saying we're definitely going to be, but guys, this is a pattern we should watch out for. Look what's happening here. We had this sort of high through here. We had these highs and highs. We made this significant high. If this is a significant higher low, and we do start to turn around and we do something like that, again, guys, I'm not saying it's definitely going to do that, but if indeed we do that and then we break past 50, that's going to be a trigger point to say, oh my goodness, oh my days. Look at this here, higher low. That's a springboard, right? A springboard to the markets. So guys, people say, oh, people are worried about all this here. Guys, this last little drop down, this could be the springboard to see enormous moves. And if we start to create patterns, what I just drew here, and we start to break above level there, like I shared with you in this video here, then this could be the final little flush down to get out those little bumblebees, those little weaker hands. Oh, you know, those people that go kind of mummy because the market dropped a little bit, right? And then the strong hands come in and buy it up. And if we do get that pattern through there, oh my days, guys, oh my days, King Kong's coming, and guess what? I'm gonna go watch him 100 times. Hey traders, I'm giving away 100% free access to my brand new breakthrough full trading course. This is 8 videos over 10 hours of pure amazing and powerful strategies. This is my most powerful systems and strategies that I've used for the last 16 years and I'm giving it away for free. So this is what I want you to do right now. I want you to go to johnsfreegift.com, or there should be a link around here somewhere, a button or in the description or somewhere in there. Click on that and you can go get free access to my brand new breakthrough trading course. So go to johnsfreegift.com right now. Go to that right now, guys. You can get full, complete, free membership access. Go do that right now.